Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Alishanmao here. Welcome to second vlog of DIY surfboard, electric surfboard build. Today we will be starting working on our very first DIY electric surfboard. So first step is to shape the surfboard, for which we have the XPS form ready. I would also like you to watch my very first vlog in this video series so you can get an idea of what we have and what we're gonna do. Once again, this is our very first try and very first time to do these kind of things. I would appreciate if there are experts and experienced people out there to drop me any kind of tips, tricks and advice for building electric surfboards or surfboards in particular, epoxy, fiberglassing and stuff like that in the video description. I'll really appreciate that. My kids are helping me for this build because they are also excited to have their own surfboards, especially the electric ones, which they can sit and ride on it. So we're gonna build the first one here with this one. I'm gonna shape it, and after shaping it, I'm gonna cut some grooves in it. I plan to cut 2 grooves in it, okay, and put wood in those grooves, top and bottom, so it will be stiff and it won't bend. And after that, we will do the fiberglassing on this one. So I'm just trying to get an idea of the size. Okay, come down, both of you. Man, this board sheet is really nice and strong. Even I can stand on it. So I would say it's not long enough, but I'm willing to give it a try. Okay, we managed to do our very basic draft shape. Now here is the first problem I met. I also plan to do a bit of wood here to make it stronger, and here in this area will be another piece of big wood because I have to mount the electric motor on it. Maybe I'll just do the wood piece completely on the back here. So this is the draft shape, and the problem I met is it's our first time. We did too much of, we were not careful. As you can see, there are cuts and stuff. So question is, can I go fiberglassing epoxy directly on it? Or should I do one coat of epoxy and make it all smooth, fill all these gaps and dings, make it all smooth, and then do the fiberglass close? My wood putty is finishing up, but I managed to smoothen this part out because this part was really very not smooth, very uneven. So the idea is to sand it later once this wood putty is dried, and then put another coat, another layer of wood putty, and sand it again. I'm not a perfectionist. I'm not looking for a perfect shape, but it's still something smooth for my very first build. So this. I didn't do it here because here I'm gonna cut and add the wood so that I can install the electric motors on it. And then the other side, which, it's not dried yet, but the other side what I will do is, of course, there will be a battery box in the middle and ESC and other stuff. So far everything is looking good. I'm gonna give myself a rest. I have to go up and say prayers as well, and we'll come back later to start working on it. Thank you very much for watching this episode. Give this video a big thumb up, subscribe to our channel, stay updated by clicking on that little bell icon and turn on all the notification. Any tips, tricks, expert experience, advice on this is always most welcome, so put it in the video comments. I will really appreciate that. Thank you very much, and until next episode of this DIY electric surfboard build vlog, stay tuned on my channel.